Hello, welcome back to my channel with me KF, and today we are going to review a diecast that released a month ago, and this is it. This is the diecast. I think you have already got it because it was released a month ago. I think in May, and this is the diecast, and this is from Mini GT, guys. As you can see here, this is a Land Rover Defender 110 and County Station Wagon Gray, and the number is 151. This deck is from TSM model. As you can see here, the box is really good because you can see a forest view, and it has official license from Land Rover, and then you got a TSM model sticker, a hologram sticker, and as you can see here, you can see the code is Land Rover Defender 101 1985 County Station Wagon Gray, right hand drive, and this is the code, MGT 00151R. It's right hand drive. Okay, let's open the box. Let's see. So this is my fifth Land Rover Defender 110 from Mini GT. I already have 4 variants of Mini GT from Mini GT. The first one is camel, and then the second one is the Golf version, and then the third one is the Royal Postmail version, and then the last one is Land Rover Defender Luca, and this is the fifth Landy. Okay, let's open the box. Land Rover Defender from Mini GT is really good because it's really detailed. As you can see in the previous video, the detail is really awesome. That's why I collect all the variants. Okay guys, let's open the box. Ooh. Okay, this is the car. Okay. Ooh. I hope I get the perfect version. Ooh, this is the standard version, but it looks good, it looks cool, and this is the car. Ooh, it's really awesome. Okay, let's review the car. Okay, let's review the car. As you can see here, it has a Land Rover logo here, and then the grill is really awesome because it's really good details. It has a really good details, and then as you can see here, the headlight is made from plastic, and then it is painted with orange on the side, and then as you can see in the bumper is painted with silver, so it's like a metal. Okay, let's move to the side of the car. As you can see here, it has the lights, it also has the decal, and it says County, and as you can see here, and the door handle is painted with black, and as you can see here, it has side mirrors, see, but it's made from a rubber. And let's move to the back of the car. As you can see here, it has a Land Rover logo, and the brake lights is painted with red, and then we get another wheel here, and as you can see here, is very detailed, and you can see the roof is painted with white. And let's move to the interior. The interior is really good because it's really detailed, and as you can see here, the dashboard is really detailed, and it's right hand drive, guys, and that's it. It's really fast review because this Land Rover doesn't have any details like the other Land Rover, like a Camel Land Rover. That's why I don't need to explain all the things. Okay, and let's move to the base of the car, and as you can see here, you can see a Mini GT logo, and it's made in China, and the base is really awesome. It's great detail, as you can see here. because they make all the things like X house here, X house, and then another parts. So it's really good details. So that's it for today. It's really fast review because because I don't need to explain everything in this car. Okay. And I think you already got it because it was released a month ago. And okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and see you in the next video.